So let's have a look at this purple rose bouquet building set. I'm going to go over this building set, what I like about it, and go over building this, and then talk about who this building set is for. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box so you can see the different pieces that you get with this. There we go. So they come in nice little bags. They're numbered. So there are some pretty small pieces in here as well as big pieces. So what's nice about this bouquet set is, one, you don't have to take care of any real plants, and these look great. Also, these stems are adjustable, and these are also compatible with Legos and other building blocks. So you can create something else with these and not just with the set that you have. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags in here. And then we have the instruction manual, and everything's really nice and laid out for you in the instruction manual. Really nice detailed pictures and tell you exactly how to assemble everything. So this makes building it much easier. It may seem complicated with all these small little pieces, but it really isn't that difficult to put together. This is definitely a set that you'd want to have if you don't want to have to take care of plants. You still want something that looks good. Unfortunately, a vase is not included, so you do need to have your own vase. And these can be good for decorations around the house, any parties that you're having. And it's also great for someone who just likes to build things. And as you can see on the back, you get the purple rose, the water lily, the larkspur, you get the holly berries, the palm leaves, and the eucalyptus leaves. So let's start building this bouquet, and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. So this is a 12-piece set with purple, black, light purple, and magenta roses, water lilies, eucalyptus, palm leaves, and holly berries. And it is a very realistic looking flower. So the instructions are clear and they're easy to follow. Although some pieces do fit tightly, and the assembly may be a little bit trickier than your normal Lego brand. And that is the final build of the purple roses. As you can see, they look great. So as you can see, this plastic bouquet set looks great. And again, this is for anyone who doesn't want to have the maintenance of plants, still wants to have something that looks good, you just like building things. So definitely check out the purple rose bouquet set.